Howdy everybody. You've reached Don't Do This. What we're gonna do today is plasma in the microwave. So let's get this piece of graham cracker cardboard. Keep it going good. Yeah, let's just throw this baby in the microwave. What do you say? You want to do that? Alright, check it out. I got the timer going already. And this is microwave plasma. Ooh. Check that out. Listen to that baby. Microwave plasma. All right, let's see if we can add a little trick. See if we can, trying to contain it in that bottle. We might get a sustained reaction going in that bottle. But let's see if we can quickly move this bottle over without burning myself. That's why this channel's Don't Do This. Ooh, you can hear it cracking. We get it. We get it. It's gonna explode. Moved on us again, darn it. See if we can melt that bottle down. This microwave's powerful enough. Here we go. Melt down. Melt down. Come on. You can do it. You're getting there. You're getting close. Ooh, it looks like the bottle is melting down. Check that out, folks. Is that neat or what? It's going to keep glowing more and more and more until it shatters. Look at that. See that whole bottle heating up? Woo-wee! This is going to be some neat stuff. If I can flip it over onto its... Ooh, you see that? Molten glass? I don't know, you missed it. I didn't get it on video. Hopefully it didn't get too cold. It might have. But if I would have been showing it in the video, you would have seen some molten glass there. Is this video worth burning up a microwave? Is it worth it, guys? You can kind of see that glass hanging off the edge there, maybe. Kind of, sort of, maybe. Maybe a little. It's kind of maybe. Okay. Let's assess this. See that? Melted down? Okay, I'm going to keep it going. And I'm going to see if I can get a piece of cardboard that I can throw in the top of that bottle, and hopefully it doesn't explode on me when I try to. Light that baby up. Alright, I'm gonna have to set you down here. Here we go. Did it stay burning before I push start? Oh, it might get going. Might not though. Ooh, it's thinking, it's thinking, it's thinking. Alright guys, well there it is. It's gonna explode on me. Let's see if I can turn it so that you can see it better. Woo! Woo-wee! There we go, melted glass. It's gonna blow. It is gonna blow. It's gonna blow. It's gonna blow. Boom! What the? How did that happen? What? Well, that's it, folks. This is T-Dub with Don't Do This. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And if you subscribe, please hit that bell so that those little lines are above it. That way you can be notified of more new videos that come. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Take care.